Finding the perfect watch can be overwhelming, right? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Men's Easy Reader Watch. The Men's Easy Reader Watch by Timex stands out with its simple yet elegant design, priced around $42.69. If you want an effortlessly stylish watch that's easy to read, this is worth a serious look. The easy-to-read dial is a game changer for anyone who struggles with tiny watch faces. This watch features a clear blue dial and full Arabic numerals, ensuring you can tell the time at a glance. Plus, the Indiglow backlight lets you check the time in the dark with just a push of a button. No more fumbling around at night. With a water resistance of 30 meters, it's durable enough for everyday wear. Now, some people complained about the battery life, saying it runs out quickly. Here's the thing though, batteries are replaceable, and for the price, you get a reliable watch that won't break the bank. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward, stylish watch for daily use. Skip this one if you prefer something more luxurious or feature-rich. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the Easy Reader's battery issue scared you off, the next watch offers a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Essentials Watch for Men. The Seiko Essentials Watch for Men, priced at $179.98. If you're looking for a blend of classic elegance and modern style, this watch might just be what you need. What really caught my attention here is the traditional white dial adorned with Roman numerals. It gives off a timeless vibe, perfect for any occasion, whether you're in a suit or casual wear. The stainless steel case adds that touch of luxury, while the supple black leather strap offers comfort for all-day wear. With 30 meters of water resistance, it's great for day-to-day tasks without worrying about splashes. However, some users mentioned that the leather strap can feel a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing. Most leather straps soften and mold to your wrist over time, making it a minor issue for a watch that looks this good. This is ideal for you if you appreciate classic styles that work in both formal and casual settings. Skip this if you want something more sporty. For what you get, it's well worth it. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want an automatic watch. Product number 3. Men's Watches 5 SNKE 03-4. Let's talk about the Seiko Men's Watches 5 SNKE 03-4, retailing for $169.99. If you're interested in a reliable automatic watch that doesn't require battery changes, this one deserves your attention. This watch features a beautiful automatic movement, meaning it winds itself as you wear it, no batteries needed. With a case diameter of 45 millimeters and a water resistance of 50 meters, it's built for those who live an active lifestyle. The mineral crystal adds durability, protecting the face from scratches. Some users noted that the watch is quite heavy. Here's the reality. While some might prefer lighter watches, the weight often signifies quality and durability in automatic watches. This is perfect for you if you want a self-winding watch that stands up to daily wear. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight or more minimalist. Considering the craftsmanship, it's a great deal. Now, if the weight was a concern for you, the next watch is lighter and offers a unique design. Product number 4. 5 Automatic Blue Dial Watch. The Seiko 5 Automatic Blue Dial Watch, priced at $174.01. If a striking design is what you're after, you'll want to pay attention to this one. This watch features a vibrant blue dial that really pops, sent in a 38mm stainless steel case. It's an automatic watch, meaning it winds as you move, which is a fantastic feature for someone who wants to avoid battery hassles. Plus, it's water resistant up to 30 meters, making it a reliable option for everyday use. The only downside is that the blue color may not be everyone's cup of tea. Here's the thing though. If you want a watch that stands out without being overly flashy, this strikes a perfect balance. This is a great choice for anyone wanting style without sacrificing functionality. Skip it if you prefer more neutral tones or classic designs. For the price, it's excellent value for a unique piece. Now, if you're after something with an Eastern flair, you'll want to check out the final watch on our list.
Product number 5, the Seiko 5 Automatic Black Eastern Arabic Dial Men's Watch, priced at $187.95. If you're intrigued by unique styles and cultural designs, this one is definitely interesting. This watch features an automatic movement and a striking black dial with Eastern Arabic numerals, giving it a distinct look that stands out from the crowd. With a water resistance of 50 meters and a stainless steel construction, it's built to last. The size is adjustable, accommodating various wrist sizes, which is a nice touch. However, some users found the Arabic numerals challenging to read at quick glances. Here's my take. If you're drawn to cultural craftsmanship and design, it's a small trade-off for a watch that tells a story. This is perfect for you if you appreciate unique designs that reflect personal style. Skip it if you're looking for something more conventional. Given its features, it's a worthy investment. So, to recap, we've covered 5 amazing Seiko watches that cater to different tastes and needs, from classic to unique styles.
If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Seiko Essentials watch for men because it balances classic elegance with modern usability perfectly. I'd recommend avoiding the Timex Easy Reader watch if you're looking for something that lasts longer than a battery change.